I wanted to walk through what it looks like to have an agent analyze time tracking data, but from multiple months. And so this workflow starts and runs at the beginning of every month. It calls an initial agent that essentially says, hey, what's today? If it's December 1st, the previous months are November and October. But beyond that, it also gets the end day. So October is 31st, November is 30th, and it's going to automatically get those start and end dates for each of those months and format those. It's putting that into structured output. We can see it's giving us very simple JSON that says what's the last month start date, last month end date, and the previous month start date and the previous month end date. And the agent knows to populate these strings as the formatted date based on the instructions that are included in this agent system message. Now, once we have those dates, it becomes pretty simple. We can make API calls, and we're going to make two separate API calls, one to get last month's data and one to get the month before that. We're going to run it through two code blocks, one each, and this just removes all the extra data that we don't need and further structures this data coming from the API so that we can then merge it together. The nice thing about this merge node is that it's not going to continue until both data sets have been through here and combined. So it combines those, pauses the workflow until it collects everything, merges it together, and then sends that to the AI agent. Its system instructions are literally analyze last month data compared to previous month data. We give it some specific instructions on how we want it to analyze, and then we say send us a Slack message and use the calculator tool to do the heavy math. And what this allows it to do is have an LLM model. So in this case, we're using Sonnet 4.5. While it can do some math, it now has a calculator tool that allows it to do real math. So we're going to get comparisons month over month, and we're going to get the key insights that an LLM is going to be able to pull out and summarize from the data it got. This is super useful, and it can be used in so many different areas outside of just analyzing time tracking data.